dito. Kasalukuyan po tayo narito sa Tulay. What do you call it? It's a bridge.
Yeah, it's a bridge, I know.
I think it's a cemetery. May patay. Kaya ganun. Mabagal ang usad kasi may patay. Yun na yun. Salamat. Iba naman. Ako siya naman. Tapos na ako.
Kamusta po yung panahon ngayon? Si Butchoy ba nandito pa rin?
Medyo naiinitan ako. Jabar, oh, Jabar. Medyo, ina niya stop it, okay?
It's 9:10 in the evening and we're here on the highway.
Oh, the highway.
And we're taking Tintin's video for Call Me Maybe, so please watch it.
Ayun na.
10. Uy, pwede ko na po sa Hey, I snapped and this is crazy. But here's my number. Sorry, baby. And of the other boys, try to change.